Gold has rallied almost $90 in the last 19 trading days, but my next guest says don't get too comfortable with these levels. Joining me today is Todd Bubba Horwitz of bubbatrading.com. Well, happy to have you back, Bubba. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you, Danielle. It's great to be on with you.
So last time we spoke in 2017, you came on the show and you said you expected gold to break past this important level of $1,300, and it finally has. But you say, let's not get too excited here.
Well, Danielle, I think what we saw was we had some damage done to the charts when we broke down the last time. So the rally was great, and I like it, except that it's gone up a little bit too fast, and it hasn't really performed as I would like to see it go up. Now, long term, I'm still very bullish gold, but I think here in the short term, I'm looking for a reason to sell it. I believe we're probably going to go down and test those lows that we put in 19 days ago. So I would look to be to the short side of this for now. But longer term, as an investor, I'm holding and I'm very comfortable. But from a trading standpoint, I want to be short for the next couple of weeks. Unless we close over 1329 on a weekly basis, I'm going to stay short gold in the short term.
But what are the fundamental reasons that you think we're going to retract here?
Well, I don't know that we've had the fundamental reasons to have gold go all this much higher. I think this rally came out of nowhere. I think what really happened is we got caught, a lot of people short. When we broke down at 1265 on a weekly basis, I think everybody tried to pile into the short side of this market. And of course, typically short covering rallies, people get it stuck. And this is, I think, exactly what happened. And now I believe all the shorts have been squeezed out, which would leave some room to work on the downside. I believe, based on the way the charts look, that actually a pullback would be healthier for a longer term bull run, which I believe we're going to get. But in the near term, I believe that you have to see some real hard selling here, especially when you look at equity still making new highs, the dollar starting to rally again. There's a whole bunch of factors that should lead to some slightly lower gold prices.
Okay, so it's a buying opportunity for you now. Is that how you see it?
For here, it's a selling opportunity, but it'll be a buying opportunity when it goes down and tests those lows for me. And that's what I'd be looking for. Again, I'm long-term bullish, and I am not taking away the position that I hold, but in the short term, I'm going to sell and try to capture some of this move down and then re-enter at lower prices.
All right, let's talk about Bitcoin and gold. We spoke about it at length before. We've seen gold kind of coming back here, Bitcoin losing steam. So do you think this is a case of cryptocurrency buyers rushing back into precious metals here?
I think when you saw that major sell-off a few weeks ago in Bitcoin, which happened to correlate with the rally in gold, I think that's, I think Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency space has become a safe haven play as well. I think it's competing for the same dollars. I think if you look at Ethereum, that's up over 1,000 right now. But I think when you saw the sell-off, money came flowing back to gold because that is still the ultimate safe haven hard asset play that people want to hold, touch, and feel. So I think that at the end, they're both going to be very solid plays going into the future. But for now, I think that you'll see people trying to go back and forth, trying to guess which one's going to move first. And I think it's best to continue to own your gold. And then if you want to trade into the Bitcoin, that would be the way to play it. I would not use that as my long-term asset.
I have a feeling this Bitcoin gold debate is not going away anytime soon. Bubba, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Danielle. Have a great day.
And thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey.